How to use Zelle to transfer money between banks, Bank of America. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Zelle to transfer money between banks, Bank of America. Zelle is fast and easy. You can send and receive money with friends and family in minutes, no matter where they bank in the US. First, open the Bank of America mobile banking app. Now sign in and tap Pay and Transfer, then Zelle, and follow the on-screen instructions. You can also add the Bank of America widget to your home screen to link straight to your contacts, giving you fast, direct access to send and request money. To send money, tap the QR code icon next to the search bar to open your device's camera. Then, scan their QR code to easily get the contact information without having to manually enter it, confirm, and send. Plus, you can also share your unique QR code if someone is paying you back with Zelle. It's easy. You can send money now with Zelle. Simply tap Pay and Transfer, then Zelle, and Send. Next, select your recipient, enter the amount, and select your funding account. You can include an optional note and tap Send Money to enroll your US mobile number or email address, and the money will be sent directly into your Bank of America account. To enroll now with Zelle, first tap Pay and Transfer and then Zelle. Then tap Settings and follow the instructions. Check your text messages or email for a one-time code so we can confirm it's you. Next time someone sends you money, it will be available in your account within minutes.